Hey everybody, Grandma Lou is back. We're making a sweet potato curry. So let's get into it. We're going to go ahead and clean and peel these sweet potatoes. And then we're going to prepare them and cut them up in bite-sized pieces. So now that we have our sweet potatoes nicely diced, we're going to toss those diced sweet potatoes with a tablespoon of olive oil and a good pinch of salt and a good pinch of black pepper. And just stir it all up. Make sure all the seasoning is all over and the oil is all over. And we're going to spread it out across the pan. And I have the pan lined with parchment paper. And we're going to let those bake in the oven on 350. So next, it's time to make the base of the curry. We're going to saute the onion and the bell pepper in olive oil. We have 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And we're going to add 1 cup of the diced onion as well as 1 cup of the bell pepper. Both are diced. And I use red bell pepper. The recipe actually didn't call for a certain type. So we're going to add our seasonings here. I made my own curry powder. And also we're adding minced garlic. And the curry powder is 1.5 tablespoons. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder we added. As well as we're going to add the vegetable stock, and the vegetable stock is 1.5 cups, and we're going to let that all simmer. And we're adding 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and we're stirring it up, and it's going to simmer for about 1/2 hour on medium heat. And lastly, we're adding 5 sprigs of fresh thyme. So it's been about 30 minutes, and you can see that our sauce, our roux, has really thickened really nicely and is ready to have the roasted sweet potatoes added to it. And you just cover all the sweet potatoes up, and we're ready to add and plate our meal. So I will add the link to another video, but I have coconut rice here. I have the greens, my kale greens that I fixed, and we're just going to add the sweet potato curry, which is the star of the meal, on top. And then I also did a plant-based chicken patty, spicy patty. And during the taste, I'll show you all some of the added things that I added during the meal. Hi everyone, Grandma Lou is back. So I just wanted to do a quick taste test for you all and give a couple of shout outs. So again, this is my sweet potato curry over a bed of coconut rice, which you'll see in my other video that I posted, the coconut rice. And then I did some kale greens and a plant-based chicken patty here. And so just want to give out a couple of shout outs for my kale greens. I went to the local Dollar Tree and used a seasoning packet here. And then my spicy plant-based patties I got from Winco. And so I like a good cheap find. The green kale seasoning, of course, was $1.25. The plant-based patties were $2.98, and you get 4 in a pack. And then I got this nice little ginger ale slice here, healthy soda. And it's only 35 calories in the whole can. So again, a slice. So let's get into it. So first I'm going to taste my sweet potato curry. And this recipe was from Darius Cook's cookbook. This is really good. And I'm proud about this one because I made my own curry powder. So just like that, another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou's. Until next time, bye.